Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install ChatGPT on your Windows 11 operating system, whether you're using computer or laptop. Just go and in the search bar we need to type Microsoft Store and just open it. Once the Microsoft Store is open, in the search bar we need to type ChatGPT and here it is. Just open it and let's click on install. Once it is installed, just click on open. Now you can just close this. Here you need to log in with your account if you already have account with ChatGPT, and either you can go with sign up. Let me just close Microsoft Store for now and we'll just click on login because I have already account in ChatGPT. I'll go with continue with Google and just click on open ChatGPT. And yeah, we have successfully downloaded ChatGPT on our device. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.